Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete incognito history on Android. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete incognito history on your Android, all you gotta do is simply tap open a web browser. Once you open your web browser, you need to simply type in chrome/net/internals DNS. So once you go there, you can simply find the top option, simply tap on it, and after doing this, you will be redirected to this kind of interface, which is probably your Google Chrome Help Center. So simply scroll down below and here you can simply find clear all data and cache DNS incognito mode. Simply tap on that particular option, and after this you will end up in this kind of interface. So here you need to simply scroll down below, and there you can simply find how you can do it. So it says you need to simply type in Chrome and you need to give 2 slashes and tap on this thing. So after doing this, you need to now you can simply tap this on and you can go to the profile and simply delete or erase your DNS cache. So by doing this, you can simply delete incognito history on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.